get your hard head. Bradford the enforcer, I meant to say the landlord. Better yet, let me let them rubber bands talk.
You see it? Open another one. Open up this one here. Open it. That's Minnie. That Minnie? Say yeah. That Minnie. That Minnie from Mickey Mouse. That's the pillow. That pillow. Huh? That's pillow. Open another one. Open up that one. Yeah, that one there. Get it. Open it up. There you go. Open it up. There you go. Open it. Take the paper off. There you go. What you got?
You got a tie?
You got a tie? Yeah? Tie?
J is for jam. S is for stamp.
I need a
T is for teacup.
This teacup is from my tea set.
S is for stamp. Stamp. S is for stamp.
What else do you have?
S is for stamp.
Where your other tie
I need
at?
a stamp to send Mickey a letter.
Let me see that one.
Press the letter button to see what's in Minnie's purse.
Let me see. Oh, look at that. You Daria, you like it? Yeah? So yeah. Yeah? Where your other toy at? It's right there, look. Right there. Right here. Right there. Let me see that one. No, that one now. That one.
What's inside?
Get it. No, Daria. This. Hold it. There you go. Can I see it?